Welcome to my video, and today I am doing kind of part 2, but the other one I didn't post. So, I got a call and then I actually kind of erased it. So I already added the glue, I already added the shaving foam, I already added 15 pumps of this, I already added baking soda, I already added the glue, but I did not add the contact solution. So you're kind of lucky. I'm not that lucky because, so I kept mixing it, and I got this. Lo borraste.
¿Lo borré?
So I just need another contact solution so it could be slime.
¿Eh? No sé.
I'm gonna
Okay.
add the contact solution. So yeah.
Vamos. Lo ve antes que se meta.
So I'm gonna mix it, and it's gonna be forming to slime. See? Oh yeah, it's gonna be kind of fluffy, or I don't know.
Ah, que no. A ver. Pero que valió.
Papi, mira. It kind of like freeze inside because I kind of added way too much baking soda, but it was the perfect amount. I added way a lot of shaving foam. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of add a little bit of shaving foam. I added a little bit of contact solution because it was really bad working. So I'm gonna add I'm gonna add shaving foam. No wait, shaving foam. Did I shit, no. Foaming soap. Foaming soap. I have 20 pumps. I want it to be smelling good. Ooh, I only have a little bit more. My hair. Now, let's go. 20 pumps to go. I think I added way too much. It's like hot pink, literally. It's like so foamy up in here. Look. From right here, you can see it's like hot pinkish. For me, it is right here, but I don't know if you can see on the camera. So, yeah. Ooh. There. All right. So yeah, I'm mix. OMG! I hope this makes it really fluffy. If it doesn't, then I am so mad. I think it makes it smoother, or it makes it smell good. Comment down below. Yeah. I'm gonna send this to Karina Garcia because I'm a fan of her. But I think this makes it stretchier. What if it does? It doesn't want to come off because I'm not mixing it that good. Oh my gosh! In the bottom, it's just like foaming. Oh! Mix. There's a lot of foam in soap. Look at this. It's just a lot of baking this. I think I'm gonna start kneading it with my hand. But first, hold up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Protection. And then not just protection. I got tissue paper. I don't know why, but I didn't have white paper and stuff. I got tissue paper. This makes a lot of sounds, so I'm gonna have to scream. Yeah. So I'm gonna start mixing the mixture stuff. It's kind of slippery and my bangs are over. So I added way too much foaming soap. I had 20 pumps. So yeah. Hey, when I left it, it got like, the foaming soap stuck it up. I can't feel it good enough. It doesn't look sticky. I think I'm gonna start kneading it with my actual hands. Yeah. Alright, now let's start kneading it. It's kind of sticky, so yeah. Hey, princess, no, stop. Gosh, those could be. And my gloves, I didn't see that it was sticky. This is like I'm in love, but not that much because it is so sticky. It tricked me. You trickster. I'll call my slime Trixie. Hey. Wait, that's the winner, like, what's it called? Subway Surf, yeah. I want this to be so stretchy. I'm gonna go bring the lotion. I'll be right back, alright? So, yeah. Got it. Yep, I got it. I'm gonna make it stretchy. I'm like contact solution. But I wanna make it stretchy. And yeah. I'm in love. I was gonna be a huge bubble, but then I ruined it. Okay. Slime. Okay, so I'm gonna add more contact solution. Or I'll keep playing with it to see what happens. But I still want to put lotion so I can make it even more stretchy. Because it's ripping. See, it's ripping. I don't want to be like this forever. Like, oh, it's so sticky. Wait. All right, ready? Ready? Okay. Oh, right. Okay. So, I got it. I got it. I'm gonna put music on this thing because I want you to hear the bubble, like, does that hurt? Add a little bit contact solution, like a little bit, that much, that. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add the freaking. This like run, and I just freaking love it. Look. I'll show you when I'm doing the thing where you put the camera and it's so like quiet, and then you can just play with it, and poke it, and it's like perfect. Because literally it's just so quiet here, kind of. Sometimes, yeah. So this is what I do when I put lotion. I like do it like this, and I slam it where the lotion is at. I keep on doing that. Because that's how you don't get that messy. You do that messy, but not that much. So yeah, and I'm getting messy now. If you put lotion, it feels like a marshmallow that's melted and they're like so sticky. I just added like 3 pumps, and guess what? Yeah, oh my god, it's all over the table. I should have never done that. It's so sticky. Oh no, but it's sticky. Curse your table. Just curse you. Oh, not the table. The freaking lotion. Oh, these are so stretchy actually. Really stretchy. Ooh, I'm gonna add more lotion so it can be like even more. I want this to be the stretchiest slime ever. Yeah, so yeah. See, this is how it looks. See, if I would have never had this thing, the freaking slime would have got on. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. It's still sticky. I don't know why. Look. Hey, this looks like one of the ice creams. Come on. I gotta clean my hands. I'm ready to pop it. And more, just 1 pump. 1. Ooh, I think that's gonna be way too much. Just kidding. don't want it to get on the table. Alright, it's already getting sticky. I got the Jergens Ultra Healing, Repairing and Heal Extra Dry Skin with vitamins C, E, and B5 Extra Dry Skin Moisture. 21 FLOZ slash, I don't know, 621 ml slash. So, yeah. Lotion. Clearly lotion, so yeah, that's the one we pretty get that like all the days. Oh, my bracelet, what have you done? What have you done? No. I have this bracelet for like 5 years. Literally 5 years.
Do they look the same? Like, yeah, hold on, let me change.
No, I'm going to a party today. Gosh, I'm so mad at slime. Baby, you're okay, baby. I'm already dirty. Where's Good and Morse? Oh, I'm so close by dirtying my skirt. It's so close so I don't dirty. Take off my bracelet before I freaking dirty them. This feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna do one of those things that it stands on the freaking something, and then it's so quiet that you get to poke. Look, I'll show you right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you on and then I'm gonna start everything, but I can't put it on because I can't play it. It's kind of hard, so yeah, hold on. Is it? Oh, it's going. Hold on. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to like this video and comment down below what other video I should do besides slime. Or I could do anything, but it could be anything. So, but not 24-hour night challenge, you know. I'm too young for that. And I'm not supposed to do that. So, yeah. And, but not, what is it called? Ding dong ditching, because, you know, my neighborhood, you don't want to know. So, I could rather also do pranks. Yeah, I could do pranks. So, yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, wait, I forgot one more thing. Hold up. I don't know how to do it, but I'll pose you already. I don't care if you don't see it. I don't care if, like, you know.